In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Deal ID in Pipedrive. If you ever connect automations, build reports, or talk to support, you'll often be asked for a deal's unique ID. Here's the quickest way to locate it. First, open your web browser and go to the Pipedrive website. You can type the address directly into the address bar or use your bookmark if you have one saved. Make sure you're visiting the official Pipedrive domain to keep your account secure, especially if you're working on a shared device. Next, click Login and complete your usual sign-in. Enter your work email and password, or use single sign-on if your company has it enabled. If two-step verification is turned on, follow that prompt as well. If you're part of multiple workspaces, choose the correct company account when prompted. Keep your credentials private and avoid signing in through unfamiliar links to protect your data. Once you're in your dashboard, head to Deals. This is the pipeline view where your deal cards sit in different stages. If you don't land there automatically, use the main navigation menu to find deals. Use the pipeline drop-down at the top to switch views, and the search bar to quickly locate a deal by title. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct pipeline, or filter so you can see the record you need. Now, click on the deal you want to check. Opening the deal takes you to its detail page, where you can review fields, activity, and notes. You can also open the card in a new tab if you're comparing multiple records side by side. Make sure you've selected the exact record you intend to reference, especially if there are similarly named deals in your account. With the deal open, look at your browser's address bar. In the page URL, you'll see a number that uniquely identifies this deal. It usually appears right after the word deal in the path. For example, in a URL like pipedrive.com/deal 123456, the number 123456 is the deal ID. Select and copy it carefully and avoid grabbing any trailing characters like slashes or query strings. If you paste it into a note or an integration setup, it should be just the digits. This is the identifier you can share with teammates, support, or automation tools when they ask for the deal's ID. And that's it. You've opened Pipedrive, signed in, gone to Deals, selected your record, and found the deal ID right in the URL. Pause the video and do this alongside me if you like, and you'll have the ID you need in just a few seconds.